When updating a text or headline element, you can control the design over what the text looks like by taking advantage of the Font tab. Quickly switch which font you wish to select by clicking into the Font Family dropdown. Here, you can choose from one of the fonts you have set up in the Theme tab. Need to make an adjustment to those options? Feel free to click into Edit Font Sets to do just that. Once you've settled upon which font to use, alter the size of the text by adjusting the font size. By default, your font will be using the form of measurement labeled Rem or M. These are the best types of units to use when it comes to typography because of how well they responsively scale across tablet and mobile. Font color allows you to adjust the color of the text. Text align will align the content to the left, center, or right-hand side of the element. Text transform will be toggled onto none by default, but you can update it to be uppercase, lowercase, or capitalized, also known as title case. Line height will increase the space between the lines of text. In design, this is known as leading. And lastly, letter spacing, or kerning, is the space between the letters. Keep in mind, font size, alignment, and spacing are all adjustable in the mobile and tablet workspace as well. However, font family and color will not be.